Yo everyone, what's going on? Today, I'm a little bit more freed up on time than usual. And so what I'm doing is I'm trying to take a product off AliExpress, build an entire Shopify store, and then start uploading videos on TikTok to generate revenue with no ad spend at all. Can I make it work? Let's find out. So basically this started about just the same way any typical dropshipper would do this project. I was on AliExpress and other websites just searching trending products to buy right now that are cheap. I knew that I had to go low ticket for this kind of store because TikTok usually means a younger audience, which means they want to buy cheaper stuff. And I'm trying to try low ticket. It's been a while, so I thought, why not? Then all of a sudden I realized everything was about TikTok on the websites. So I just thought, why not just hop on my phone and see what's going on there? I went on the For You page and I went on the Explore page to see what was up. After doing some digging, I finally came across something on AliExpress that really caught my eye, and it was these blue light glasses that block blue light from your computer. I looked at the Google search trend charts for both 5 years and 12 months and decided it was time to move on with this product. Alrighty, so we are back. Next, it's time to just come up with a business name on a business name generator, and I'm honestly pretty excited for this site. I think that because of COVID, there's going to be so many people using their screens so much more. So I'm honestly excited to see the results of this kind of TikTok store once I post for like 2 to 3 weeks. Anyways, I went on GoDaddy and found 2 domains that I really liked. I ended up choosing the second one there, bluelensglasses.com for $5. I set that up right away, got it off GoDaddy, and then it was time to set up my actual Shopify store. So here's a super quick screen recording of what I did, how I did it. If you want to watch it, you can feel free. It takes like 2 minutes to see how exactly I built the site, all the websites I used. A few things were cut out just because they expose my personal information, but yeah, here we go. I wrote some quick copy for all of the product pages, which I'll still obviously refine later on, but it's kind of a brief idea of what the angle I'll be using is, and so on and so forth. I also changed around the product images and the product names to make sure everything appears nice and clean. I'm gonna have my customers most likely have free shipping, but the AliExpress shipping is probably going to take anywhere between 2 to 3 weeks. I don't think it's going to be too much of an issue, again, as long as there's updates and they know what's going on. They're going to expect delays because of COVID, because of the election, so I'm not too stressed. If things do get out of hand though, I will only offer shipping to USA and ship through USPS, and then there'll be 0 issues, but it's unfortunate because TikTok brings in tons of traffic from multiple countries such as USA, Canada, Australia, United Kingdom, so we will just have to see. We're going to start with those 4 countries most likely and see what it goes from there. I decided to use the venture theme for the store. I think it's pretty clean, pretty nice. I had a nice little blue color there for the logo, and this is pretty much me making the homepage of the site. You already know I'm hyped to see how this goes. I'm gonna keep on pushing until I make it work. Let's just see what happens a few weeks from now. All right, so I had to have a little break in between there because I had to go quickly grab something from the store. Then I came back, had some lunch. Now we're back, but to update you guys, I have finished pretty much the website. I'm 95% done, just some small tweaks may be made, but I'm gonna throw it up right here on my phone right now and show you guys kind of what I was thinking for each kind of step. Here we go. Just a quick reminder, this is gonna be like a part 1 of probably 2 series. It's either gonna be part 1, part 2, part 3, or just a part 1 and 2. I guess we're gonna see how things go, but part 1 is basically just gonna be covering me choosing the product, how I found the product, how I built the site, and how I actually got these products to my house, and we'll continue from there. So let's hop into my site right now. Here we go. All right, so I'm in the website now. Literally, I am one of those people that don't prioritize the homepage so much. There's only one kind of benefit to it, and it's just more real estate for people to buy from your store. And so for that reason, right away, I have a quick hero image saying, hey, protect your eyes, shop now. So almost everywhere on the homepage, you'll notice that it's gonna basically just encourage people to buy and shop. That's what we want them to do. We don't want them to really like read a 10-page article about why blue light's bad. They know it's bad. Everyone knows it's bad. You watching this video, you know it's bad for your eyes, but do you really want to pay for the glasses? Hey, I'm trying to change that. Anyways, it says, hey, protect your eyes, shop now. Then we have the product. Again, I say I'm 95% done because I still have to change these images around and stuff. There's actually some pretty nice ones. We'll hop into that in a sec. And then it says, why blue lens? And I have to say, like, save your vision because it's really bad for your, that's my cat, because it's really bad for your retina cells or retinal cells. I'm gonna need to fix that. And you're gonna have improved workflow, improved productivity, all that stuff in between, just because of how game-changing these glasses are. They're gonna save you from all these like bad nights of sleep and whatnot. And then literally at the bottom, it just says, be excited to protect your eyes. All orders are gonna come with a 60-day money-back guarantee. I'm gonna hold true to that. So literally, if they want a different color, or just want to exchange it, or they want to return it entirely, that's totally fine. You can do that, no problem. I'm thinking if I should charge for shipping or not. So maybe comment below. Let me know if you guys think I should charge for shipping or not. Because, for example, for this one product here, the main one, I guess you could say, I'm charging $18.95. Oh, I didn't even show you guys the product page, so here we go for that. $18.95 compared at $35. There's all kinds of colors, so I still kind of have to coordinate like what lands where. Like these images here with the white background are nice. So I'm thinking of just like putting them all into Photoshop and like removing that like blue -1 thing there and just making it all like nice and clean, because they're it's very, I guess you could say, consistent on the website. It's very nice. I like it a lot. We go down with this nice bluish theme that matches the logo. We have a nice little trust badge there, just super quick. A lot of young people are gonna be on this website, and I would, bet any money that usually older people are more skeptical of seeing a trust badge than young people, so I don't even care that much, but that's why. So I threw it up there. The only pair of non-prescription glasses you need. Let's face it, your health is more important than anything. And then I throw them with a huge fact that I actually found by simply Googling. It says on average, people spend about 5 hours a day using computers and another 2 to 3 hours on their mobile phone / social media. And if these people are coming from TikTok, chances are they watch TikTok every single day. And so they're gonna think to themselves, damn, I'm one of those people. Damn, that's bad. Keep going here. I saw the blue light. Studies have shown that exposing your eyes to blue light excessively can result in damage to your retinal cells. A little like badge there I found on Google as well. I didn't make this, I found it on Google. Blocks blue light, protects your eyes, good quality, better sleep, light and comfort, hyperactivity, boom, boom. And then I just wrap it up right away. I still am debating if I want to add reviews. I might add some kind of social proof somehow. Right now there's no reviews on this thing. And literally that's what it is. It just says that's why we're here. Try it risk-free for 60 days today, and that's pretty much it. And then of course in the footer menu, I have my policies, a contact us page. In my navigation menu on the header, I have the home and shop here, order tracking, our mission page. They're not fully entirely done yet, but the brand mission is basically just to, like I said, help you get more productive, help you get better sleep, help you save your eyes. Over time, this is entirely true. This isn't even cap. Like, if you stare at this blue light for so damn long, you can get in big trouble. You can actually have like bad insomnia, etc., etc. So all of that can be incorporated in all of the TikToks I'm going to make, which transitions into my next part of this video. Here we go. So an hour ago, I really thought that I was gonna have to order these off AliExpress or Amazon in order to start making videos, but I already have my own pair that I got on Amazon a while ago. They look kind of weird on me. Like, honestly, if I was one of my customers, I'd probably ask for an exchange, but these things do the job. I wear them pretty often. And so I'm debating possibly shooting some TikToks as of early as tonight and posting them in aims to go viral. Again, if you're new here and this is your first time watching this channel, one of our brands has gone insanely viral on TikTok and brings in thousands of dollars of revenue a day to our store just from TikTok alone. And then we run Facebook ads and whatnot. For this, I think it's just gonna be TikTok and no ad spend, we'll see. But yeah, I have these glasses, and then I'm also gonna go on Amazon most likely and buy the exact same glasses from Amazon that are on AliExpress on my store, because the AliExpress shipping is just like a month. And it's not that like I'm worried about the customers waiting a month. Like, I think they're gonna wait like probably 2 to 3 weeks on average, which is okay. Like they're expecting delays. They're paying $20 for a product with free shipping. What do they expect, right? I think they're gonna be okay as long as there's like updated information. But for me, I want these videos to be made ASAP so I can start ASAP, obviously. So I'm ordering off Amazon. It'll be here like probably by the end of this week or next week. Today's Thursday, and we're just gonna take it from there. I'm pretty sure that wraps up for this video. The website's made. I've chosen the product. I already have a couple videos about to be made on TikTok. I have my suppliers figured out. My entire website navigation is ready to go. Just gotta do some little small tweaking on there, and I can get ready to start posting on TikTok, and you can find my page. It's not gonna be ready yet, but when I do make it, I'll publish it in the description so you can always keep an eye on it and see if I go viral. And let's just keep going. See you in the next video. Watch part 2 when it's out.